You watching Top 5 Best 4K Camcorders. Number 5. Sony FD R AX100/B 4K video. Capture 4K/30p video that far exceeds HD resolution, high frame rate shooting at 120p. 1 XMR RCMO sensor with direct pixel readout. 14MP resolution video and 20MP still image capture. Advanced Bion's X image processing engine for higher speed and peerless quality. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Canon X830 Professional. BP820 lithium-ion battery. Lens hood. CA570 compact AC power adapter. Top handle unit. WLD89 wireless controller. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Sony PXW Z1 54K STCAM. World's first 1.0-inch type stacked XMR imaging sensor, flexible 4K and full HD recordings, XAVC long GOP at 100 Mbps, HFR 120 fps super slow motion, continuous, clear image zoom, 24x for HD, 18x for 4K. Wi-Fi/NFC networking capabilities for high mobility, 3.5-inch Type 1550K LCD panel for high-resolution monitoring, compact and lightweight body, dual media slots for recording flexibility. Built-in ND filter, wide choice of connections, 3G SDI, HDMI, multi/micro USB, professional audio XLR terminals, remote and composite, RCA. Multi-interface, MI, shoe to connect and control Sony's wireless mic systems or external light, sold separately. Omnidirectional stereo electret condenser microphone. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Sony FD R AX704K HDR 1.0 type, stacked XMR back illuminated CMO sensor. Incredibly fast, hybrid AF with 273 points and wide coverage. 4K resolution, 3840 x 2160, in addition to full HD filter diameter, 62 mm. Instant HDR workflow with hybrid log gamma, HLG, encoding. Zeiss Variosonner T*12x optical zoom lens W/29mm wide angle. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Panasonic HCX1 4K Ultra. Advanced optical image stabilizer, 4K/UHD/FHD, and 5-axis hybrid OIS, FHD. Supports 4K, UHD, FHD, 60p/50p/25p/24p. High performance Leica Dicomer 4K lens 24mm f2.8 f4.5 with optical 20x zoom, 24 to 480 mm. 2-channel XLR audio, wired/wireless remote control, triple manual rings, user switch, timecode, ND filter, live HDMI output. Please check the description for details and update price.